Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Welcome to Saffron at Home. My name is Nitesh and I'm Executive Chef at Saffron. Today we're going to make a quick video on how to make naan. Have you ever thought about making naan at home? Sounds tricky, but trust me, it's really simple. So let's start. What we'll need is a bit of plain flour, a rolling pin and a bit of silver foil. Now the silver foil, you can just tear them. And this is what we're going to use after we make the naan. We're going to put them in here to keep the naan moist. Make sure you turn the grill on to the highest setting and make sure the rack is on the top shelf. We'll start with the dough now. We're going to take one at a time. We're going to sprinkle some flour and we'll start rolling it. Now we need to make sure our pan is really hot. We'll heat the pan. Make sure the pan is really hot. If you have a non-stick pan, I would suggest use non-stick pan. I think the pan is hot enough now. I'm going to gently place the bread in there. I'll leave it for about 45 seconds. You'll start seeing the bubbles forming in here. After 45 seconds, you have to move it to the grill. Look at that. Now that's a proper restaurant style naan made at home. What I'm going to do is butter this up. I'm going to pack it on the silver foil nicely. That's restaurant style naan made at home. You can enjoy it with karai lamb, butter chicken or any other curries. Thanks for watching. Until next time, enjoy your meal.
La 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 la